Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my partners who are joining me from the different world in the different country in this world. So thank you very much, first of all, to having the time to connect with this webinar. So today we are going to be covered what are the franchisee opportunities are available for the study metro in the overseas education industry, and we would like to work as a team with all our partners and the franchisee and the sub franchisee. And here is that we are just letting you know what are the advantage for the people who take the study metro franchisee, because I can see almost all the attendees are in the same field, and we want all those agents in the same field only because we believe is that you are already in this industry from the long time, and you already sending the students, either it is in the UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, USA, and other countries from the long time. But why should you take the study metro franchisee, and what are the advantage if you are taking up the study metro franchisee? I would like to cover all those things. So it's as mentioned, this business proposal is cannot be done alone. We are working, it should be working together, and if we are working together, we will win this opportunity to get more students. So first of all, some of you know, some of you don't know what is a study abroad, the entire business model. The study metro global education market, now it's valued around 76.4 billions in 2019. Now, latest news are saying it's already crossed 100 billions dollar in 2020, and now in the percentage of 15 to 20%, it increasing every year. So you are in this industry where there are so many students who would like to go abroad for the higher education, because now there is no much difference if we talk about the tuition fee, if you talk about the level of the educations, if we talk about the opportunity what the students get. Before, I know when we were studying in the schools and the college, if anybody asked us, okay, you want to go study abroad, we thought, okay, we are not a politician's son, or we are not a big shot business person man who can afford to study abroad. Because that time, study abroad means that if you have the thousand of crores in your bank, then only you can study abroad. But nowadays, study abroad is affordable. Nowadays, every students from the you can say metro city or the town B cities, they are looking to study abroad. And nowadays you are seeing the attraction more are coming from the village also. So if it is a small town, still they know that that MBBS can be possible to study abroad in the Russia, in the China. They know that the students can go to the higher education in the US and UK. So it's not like that the time is that they don't know about the study abroad. Now everybody's are sitting in the small village to the metro cities. They understand what are the universities and what are the options are available for their children to study abroad. So the market side is really very big. You can see on your right hand side, there are a couple of the countries where the students are going. Always the USA is the number one, where most of the students they plan to go study. But you can see that the Canada and the UK also, it's a top three position where the students always plan to go for the higher education. Now most of you know about the study metro, but if who are not know about the study metro, I just would like to tell you that study metro is the ARC certified company who are helping students to go study abroad. We worked with more than 3,500 commission based universities. So all these 3,500 university based in a different 20 plus different countries. So mainly as a ARC certified company, we recruit the students for the USA. So our main portfolio to sending the students for the higher education for the USA. But we send really very good handsome number of the students in the UK, Canada, Europe, and other part of the countries also. So when Study Metro have started, so Study Metro started in 2011 when this company started by Mr. Abbey, who was studying in abroad for the higher education. He was in the States, and he worked in one of the recruitment company as a vice president. And then because he also went to the student journey, he thought to let's start with the Study Metro to help the Indian students. So how this company started, because the journey has started by the student who understand what exactly is requirement and what are the challenges as a student he felt when he was studying in higher education. So what we believed is always to provide the one-stop solution for the higher education. So we starting from the training, so we help the students to prepare for the IELTS, TOEFL, SAT, GRE. Then we will help the students to get the shortlisting of the universities. And we have a range of 40 plus different countries where the students can select. All the top countries like USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Europe, Asia, so like all those kind of countries where the students go, we already have a direct tie-up with those universities. And SIRC certified company, we have maximum tie-ups of around 700 to 800 universities directly in the USA, where in every corner in the states, like you can see in every state and every big cities in the USA, we have the university tie-up. So if you have the students who want to go either in the top cities like New York or San Diego or Texas, or might be he want to go to the small cities in the states, we have the university representing there. Now you can see the couple of the accreditations. We have more than 15 accreditations, but we have listed a couple of them only here. Mainly ARC certified company. You can see EIE is a member, NAFSA is a member, ICF is a member, QSAN is a member, and there are certain other membership we have. We believe is that these memberships help the students to trust the company, and also these memberships help us to do the agreement with the universities tie-ups. Now, what are the different products the Study Metro offer? The Study Metro, like you can see, if I talk about, I do not have to talk about other company, but yeah, if I talk about other company, we have seen that if they are only doing, let's say, only the UK or couple of the consulate, only they are doing as Australia, or couple of the other consulate, they are only focusing on the Europe. But what we thought initially is that we do not have to be only the country specific. So you can see in our domain there are plenty of the universities are available in the different countries. So that is a one product we have where we are helping a student visa for 20 plus countries. It can be USA, UK, or other countries, whatever you think about to where the students go for the higher education. Along with that, we have also built up couple of the other product. The other product is that which is really very unique in the market to help you to recruit more students. So those products are like a free education. We do so many students, like 150 to 180 students we send every year only for the free education, where they get 100% scholarships in their higher education. Also, they get a free accommodations and all. So these programs generally run in Italy, Germany, and other public university in the Europe. Then third product we have started, that is a work and study program that is for the professionals, where that any professionals who have minimum 5 years of experience, he want to go for higher education, but at the same time he has his family, so he want that if I am going abroad, I also want to work there. So we design a couple of really good programs with the universities where the students can work full time from the day one. Yeah, that is correct. Yeah, full time from the day one. Generally you have heard that students has to wait for the 1 year before he get the work permit to start full time. But we have designed couple of the CPT programs, and through the CPT programs, students have to attend only twice and thrice classes only in a month, and he can work Monday to Friday full time. So those kind of programs we have designed, and this is really good programs. If you have the professionals, they can directly apply and he can work similar like how the work permit person work, he can work directly like this in the CPT programs. The fourth kind of programs we have designed for the internships. Generally, you can see you get so many students who either studying in the second year or third year or in the final year, and they want to do the internships for the couple of time. So those internships are available with us in the 20 different countries, where we help the students to get the internships in any of the employer in the abroad, and he can stay up to 3 months to 6 months to 9 months to 12 months, where he can get paid or unpaid internships. So it's directly with the employer. There is no university kind of internship. This is with employer, so that he can work in the IBM, he can work in the HP, he can work in the or any kind of hospitality industry, or he can work in any kind of other finance business and all. So those kind of internships we help, where the students can go and he can do the internships. Now the fifth program, which I strongly suggest, and I always talk about this more, about the scholarships program. Now this scholarships program is truly mean that we are doing our job, that is as a study abroad consultant, that is our job to get highest scholarships for our students. Now when we have seen the market, when we have understand how the university working, we thought, okay, mostly people as agents like you and like us, what we were doing before is that we are just simply getting the admissions. We never care about how much students get the scholarships for those any programs, either it can be bachelor's, master or PhD programs. But when we have started learning this, we started speaking with couple of our advisor in the university side, and then our partner university. They told us that if you have a really bright student, and if you have a strong profile, they can get up to 100% scholarships. It's not only about only in the Europe, which we were doing before. We have started this one in the USA, UK, Canada and other countries also, where our students start getting the full scholarships, depending on how we are building up their profile, their student profile. So we have started working on how to make the good students profile, and there are department in certain universities where that department have a right, either it can be on the university and the government end, to give them more scholarships to the students. Then we have started doing the contacting those department, and now we have really very good relationship with all those department at different university in the states. Either they are our partner or they are not our partner, but still those relationship we have built up, where the students can get the maximum scholarships. So in the spring 2021 also, we have got so many students who got minimum 70 to 100% scholarships in USA, where due to this relationship, my team has worked a lot, because we have to prepare their profile and all, and everything we have to do that, like preparing their internship documents and all. But in the end, those helped us to get the maximum scholarships from the universities. Apart from this, there are two other programs which I have, that is a summer program and short-term program. The summer program generally for the high school students who can go and study for the short time, there is a 2 weeks to 4 weeks time. Either they can go in the Penn State University or University of California, Berkeley, or any kind of Ivy League school for the 2 weeks to 1 month time, where they can go and they can get the certificate. It can be credit or non-credit based. So those kind of programs we have started with the high school students. And then due to this COVID-19 situation, most of the students who could not travel, we have started our online programs with the same university, who have started giving online programs. Either it can be the full-time degree, it's like a MBA or BTech or BBA or something, or they can also do the short-term course certificate program, that is for 3 months to 9 months. So these all are the product which, as a study metro, we are doing that. And definitely when you are the franchisee, we will give you the training how you can promote in your local market. So this is a wide range of you can see the wide range of product. We have 22 products, but all the end I just mentioned 7 product here. But this product we have built up that if any students are walking to the office, you have a multiple things to sell them. It's not like they just simply come and you say, okay, I do not offer this, or might be I offer only with the limited university or limited options. We want to give you the large number of the product, so that it's like a it's a like a shopping mall or something. They just simply walk in there, and then they find so many things which they can buy it from you. Now, about the company profile, I just want to tell you about exactly what we are. So, Study Metro have started in 2011, as I said to you. Currently, we have 23 franchisees in India, where they are successfully running the business. We have two head offices, one head office in the Bangalore and another office in the Indore, where these two, both the offices are taken care by Abby. One is Abby and one is myself, that is Abhishek. We both are taking these two offices, and our team is sitting around 40 plus expert counselors we have, who are sitting in this both the offices and taking care about the complete applications work. The south region taken care by the Bangalore team, and the north region taken care by our central team, that is sitting in the Indore. Also, we have started our 6 international offices, that is in the USA, UK, we have in the Nepal and other countries, where our offices help the students, first of all, to get the internships, to get the accommodations in those countries, or also we help the students to, if they are going to study abroad for other countries. We already in from the last 10 years, we have sent more than 10,000 students across the globe. We are 60% they went to the USA, but 40% we have sent to the different countries also. Now, what kind of support we give, that is a main thing which people look for. First of all, that now I already have the office, now I already have the staff, I already running the this business from couple of years, and why should I take the franchisee? So those kind of questions comes, and believe me, all these 23 franchisee, everybody who have come to us, they already in this industry from the long time, because our first thing is that we always give the franchisee only for those people who have at least 3 to 5 years of experience in the same field. The belief is that why we see the experienced people is that, you know, we do not want to spend over 6 months of time to train you if you are not from this industry. So that's why we always believe that you should be from this industry, and you are doing this business from the at least for 3 to 5 years of time. But the second thing is that we never say, okay, if you are taking my franchise, then throw your whatever your company name you have there, because the people know, your city people know from your company. So we always believe, you know, that is your brand already. But why you should take the Study Metro? Because the Study Metro will give you to sell some other products also. Might be you are selling right now 2 and 3 products, Study Metro will give you additional 22 products, and it will also give you all the technology what we are using it. So using this technology, might be if you're earning XYZ amount, you can increase to 2 times or 3 times in future when you have the Study Metro umbrella in your portal in your city. So that can help you. But along with that, what we help you, if you're not sure about it, where to take the office, we will help you that these are the location. If you need our help to hire a couple of the expert counselors or interns in your cities, we will help you to give you the expert counselors, because we get so many counselors resume who want to work with us. We can definitely take their interviews and can give it back to you, so that you have the best team who can help you to get more business from your city. Also, we will give you the complete training for all the products which we have right now. All those training products is not only that one time we will give it to you. Yeah, that is every week you see that we do the webinar. We are really very active, where we are arranging our virtual fair, where we are doing our physical fair, wherever we are universities. Every day there are 3 to 4 university trainings happen for our staff. Those all trainings will come to our franchisee people also, so that they can learn the product and they can sell in the market easily. We will also provide you the dedicated relationship manager. That relationship manager work is not only to just give you the consultant, but it can also be your mentor or your guide, who can help you to success your business. So the one point of contact person, the manager will be assigned to you, and that he or she can help you to initially 3 or 6 months can help you to how you can grow your business locally there. Also, if you see that every business have some business opportunity and potential in that market. The only thing is that might be you are not capturing it. So let's say might be you are sending a students to the UK or the USA right now, but you don't know free education. So our market, our study metro can help you that what are the business potential you have in that city, and we can identify and we can run it. So I have seen the work and study program is really very popular in the big cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune. But other cities people, they don't know how to use the work and study program. So we can educate you, how you can tap the professionals who can also be your client and can in future can help you to get you the sales for those market. Also, everything is a cloud based, so we use the latest technology. So we spend our 50% money only in the system, because we believe if the system is really good, the sales automatically increase. So we gave you the system as a CRM, as a handling all the students and applications and commission basis. The system can help you to do the more productive work. So that some of you might be they already got the B2B portal access, couple of them they don't have it, but still if you see the system, it will be a really very good system. So there are so many portals nowadays in the market, but either they are really good for finding the finding the university, might be they are really good to finding or adding the students applications, but might be they are not that much quick, or might be they are not providing you the tools to communicate each other. So we are building the system. In the phase one, we have given you the one system where you have all those things which you can do that. Now in the phase two and phase three, you will see really very good fantastic features where you just put the application and it automatically give you the university shortlisting. So that in the future you can save your time also to finding the universities and giving the options to the students. So that kind of technology we are building up, so that in the future your job is to do the sale, and your job is to do the marketing, and all the backend work we will take care by the system and the study metro counselors. Also any kind of informations you require from the backend support, like for the visas, for the education's loan, for the international stream, for the forex amount, everything we already have a tie-ups with a couple of the different vendors, and those all access we will give it to you, so that you can also make the money not only for the study abroad, but also to selling the other products with your students. Now the special support which we would say to give all our franchisee is that first of all is that the highest commission in the market. Mostly you have seen that the university either delegates directly giving you the certain commissions, which is sometimes little bit less, because you are sending less number of the students to them. So they'll might be, if they are offering us 20% commission, they'll give you 15 or 12% commissions. So this has happened with those agents where they are sending the less number of the students, but because as a study metro we send so many students, we get the bonuses, we get the different kind of commission structure from the university. So that first advantage you get it from us. The second advantage, you've seen the so many agents in the market, they give you 50% commission, 60% commission, 70% commission, or maximum if you take the franchise they give you 80% commissions. But in our market, with our franchisee, we are giving 85% of the commissions whatever we receive from the university. So the first of all, the commission amount is big, and the sharing is the big. Somebody can write you 95% or 100% also, but if he's only selling you 10% where he's getting a 20%, or might be he's only getting 50%, then that difference comes. So when you compare our commission chart with the other people, you will not get that much of commission what we offer to our partners. The second thing is that there are so many university who give application fee waiver to us, which we help you to use those waiver directly as a franchisee, so that either it's up to you, you can take a money from the student, or might be you can also give a waiver to the students, but this waiver can help you to save some monies for your students. So it can be range between $50 to $200, different university having a different waiver, but all those waivers we will share with you so that you can save money for your students. And also what kind of university visits come. So if any universities are coming to your cities, let's say if you have a office in Ludhiana or in the Lucknow or somewhere where you want, that I want that to do some kind of small events where the university come to your office, or might be you want to organize in small hotel, or you want to do some kind of event in the schools and the colleges, we can arrange those kind of university visit to your city, so that that university always whenever they comes, your students will have a more trust. Their parents have more trust on you because you are bringing the university directly to the your office or in your events, so that those kind of things can help you to build the trust and give you the more business from your local market. Also, this is something which we want to discuss with you, what exactly you can earn in this business. I know that most of the people who are attending this webinar, they are already running this study abroad business. So I do not have to talk about how much you can earn. But again, as a small figure, I just want to give for those people who are might be new for this industry, or who just want to know that how much I can earn in this business. So generally, if I talk about the, let's say from the classes start from 6,000 to 40,000 rupees, which depend on IELTS is 6,000, or if you are taking the SAT or IELTS together, it's 40,000, or GRE or IELTS together is 40,000. So it's depend on what kind of market you are setting, and you can earn per student with the classes. So this is the first point where you can earn the money. The second point is the processing fee. Generally, we do not charge anything for the USA, sorry, for the UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, but we always have some registration fee to just make sure that the students are serious about. So we do the 2,000 rupees registration, which is sometimes fully refundable if we get the visa. But yeah, you can charge between 2,000 to 75,000 rupees. Why we mentioned? Because we have as I said, we have a unique programs like work and study and the free education, where we charge up to 75,000, because that we don't get the commissions for the scholarships kind of programs. So we have to charge from the students to survive ourselves. So that kind of processing fee you can earn from the students. So the classes money and the processing fee you can earn from the students. The third big amount which comes to earn, that is comes from the commissions. So as I said, the commission range between $1,000 to $9,000. These are the different university who give us. But I just mentioned in the rupees, that is a 50,000 rupees to 7 lakh rupees. You can mention that this kind of commissions can come for the university. And $9,000, it is a really big amount. And those kind of university we work, where they give you the $9,000 per student, but if you give more than 5 students, they go up to $12,000 also. So those kind of university we work where give you the highest commissions which you never heard about in the market. And definitely, if you are working with us, we will let you know how to recruit the students for those universities and how to get as much as commissions for from your market. The fourth income which I mentioned, it's not a big amount, but I just mentioned for the education loan, for the forex, for the accommodations and all. Sometimes we get 0.4% or zero point 0.8 or 1% also. But yeah, it's a good amount where 40,000 to 50,000 rupees sometimes we earn, depending on the how much the other services the students are taking from us. So again, this figure is it's not fixed, but yeah, I just mentioned for the understanding of the people who are new in this industry. So so just a small figure we just mentioned. Okay, let's say if you're getting 100 to 150 inquiries in a year, okay, and then if you have the active clients, if you just got only 35 to 53, which is a bare minimum figure which we have taken up, still your turnover can go up to 2 crore rupees, which can help you to survive all whatever your expenses you have. And I will cover my expenses also in the next sheet, but this is the amount which you can think that you can earn in this business. then the minimum commission which you can expect around 50 lakhs rupees, which is a part of the 2 crore only, but the 50 lakhs rupees can be earned, where you can get this much of commissions from the university if you are sending minimum 35 to 53 students. And then franchisee earning, because I'll again cover my other model where we are talking about what we want to do, what is our vision, where we do not want you to just come and as a franchisee and start the business. What we want, that I will give you the responsibility to build the network also. So let's say if you are sitting in Ahmedabad and if you take my franchisee, I would like that you also open up couple of the more franchisee in your area, and then you become a master franchisee for those market, where you can sell the master franchisee like what you have taken, or might be you can sell sub franchisee also. So our master franchisee range goes depending on the cities 3.5 to 5 lakhs rupees, and our sub franchisee cost go between 75,000 to 1 lakh rupees. So those opportunity you can sell in the market, so you can build up your network where you can sell our franchisee, Study Metro franchisee, or along with whatever the company you have. So you can sell those franchisee also, it's up to you, and you can make the money like this. And that kind of networking part we will educate you once you are in the Study Metro portfolio. So these are the couple of, again I just mentioned this a rough figure that what kind of rent and expenses can comes in the market. So generally you can see the office rent goes depending on the city wise, but yeah, 10,000 to 40,000 rupees the rent. Minimum 2% if you are hiring 30,000 is can be expense as a staff salary. The other expenses can go between 5,000 to 10,000 rupees, but overall expense which you can see between 50 to 70,000. But yeah, if you are opening a big office also, it can go maximum 1 lakh rupees as expense. But if you see and if you calculate the earning which we have mentioned there, if you are earning per month minimum 4 lakh rupees, which is we divided a bit after 2 crore rupees, what you are earning in a turnover is in the whole year. If you're dividing by monthly by 12, minimum, I'm just saying that you can earn between 4 lakhs rupees as you're earning. And if you're spending let's say 70,000 to 1 lakh also, still you can save 3 lakhs rupees as a model which we would like to give it to you, that minimum 3 lakhs rupees earning which you can do with the Study Metro. Might be couple of you already earning 3 lakhs or 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs already in this market, but if you are coming up with the Study Metro can also double that amount with selling the different product what we have. So that we can do that. Also we can educate you how to make the sub agents, how to make the sub franchisee, how to use the system where you can get more earning, also educating your team, and also those kind of things we will let you know when you are in the Study Metro model. So a couple of the offices photo which we would like to share, as you know that there are so many franchisee we have, but these are the setup which we look for. At least you have the well-maintained office where any universities who are coming down, any students are coming down, they see that they came in a very nice place where it's a neat and clean. It's having a proper informations about the study abroad goals what you have, and you have a well educated team who are giving the informations to the students and their parents and any kind of university delegates, to give you the more kind of value for the study abroad business. Now what are the challenges? Because as I said that most of you are in this industry, so what I'm talking about here everybody knew it. Okay, I'm not talking something new, but I just want to talk to you what exactly the challenges. Everybody get it as a Study Metro or as other companies who are attending this webinars from different cities. The first and almost maximum challenges we get the lead generation and the conversion. So lead generation sometimes it's a challenge because we get so much of fake leads. So if you see, I know that most of you are subscribed from the Just Dial, from the Sulekha, or from the Shiksha, or from other companies also like that. But you see that the lead qualities are really bad, because that same lead are sharing with the 10 different competitors, and sometimes if you give that same counseling in the 5,000 rupees, but in the market somebody is giving in the 500 rupees also. Or might be they sometimes they generate the fake leads to just share with you to so that you can see that okay, you are getting the leads, but the lead quality is really very bad, because sometimes this is a fake lead. And we generally, these guys, they do that because they want to just show when they're selling new product, they just want to show that this much of leads we are getting, but they never talk about what is the quality leads. So the research is saying that 7% of the lead is quality, even which these people they share. 93% of the leads which they share, it's a third class leads, or you can say the fake leads, which is no useful. You are just simply wasting your time, you're simply wasting your money to spending this one. So with the study metro never tell you that I'll give you 1,000 leads when you take the franchise. No, we'll give you the 100 leads, but the 100 leads will be a very qualified lead which can help you to convert those students for the study abroad. So those we believe that it's we never go with the numbers, we always go with the quality. So quality lead plus how to do convert. Now might be you get 100 quality leads, but if your team are not comfortable enough to convert those leads, so what you will do? So you cannot hire the 70,000 rupees salary person who can help you to convert the lead. But what you can do, that the two models we have. One model is that either my expert team can help you to convert those leads. So let's say if you have a students who want to go USA, if your team is not comfortable to convert the USA because they do not have experience, you are really good in the Canada but not in the USA, so my team can help you to convert the student. Otherwise, if you have a bunch of students, let's say